Well, 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 what have we here? Another closet find.
Cheese Vintage Toy Adventures!
Closet. So, this will be interesting. What is it, you may ask? It's a cube. What type of cube? There is a Rubik's Cube in here, but not any ordinary Rubik's Cube. It's a Chex Rubik's Cube. Now, I have not opened this box. We'll call this another unboxing. I have not opened this box for probably 30 years, just like the other item that I was reviewing earlier. A lot of memories with this, definitely a lot of memories with this box. Hey, we like to associate memories with the things we own, you know, especially stuff you had as a little kid. And this is a Chex Rubik Cube. Let me open this up, but before I open it, like a reveal, I guess. This came out in the 80s during the big Rubik's Cube craze, and it's from Ralston Purina Company. Imagine that your cereal company is also your dog food company. Maybe I'm wrong. Purina, who knows? It's from West Main, Bellevue. Yeah, Bellevue, Illinois. It's got a little postage stamp. This is how it arrived in the mail. And I remember the day my grandmother gave this to us. This is from my grandmother. They used to have a lot of things, and she would do this for us, you know, for her grandkids. We would eat this, you know, Chex cereal, and would collect the UPC symbols. And sometimes they have things that says like collect 2 UPC symbols, collect 5 UPC symbols as little barcodes, and add $2.98 shipping, and they'll send you a free gift. And this free gift was a Chex Rubik's Cube. So let's open this up. And there's a ghost in the house. What the heck was that? I put that in slow motion. That is actually kind of frightening, because I was opening this up and that picture fell. Perhaps she's watching. And oh yeah, look at this. This is just great. Let me get that close up of this. All right. Yeah. So here's the box. There's the company. I got my name written on it. Because she got 2. It was one for me and one for my cousin. You can see here's the Chex, and we got a little Chex cereal on there. It says, let me take my glasses off, Chex brand cereal. We got strawberries, we got bananas, peaches, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. Oh my goodness. And you know, it's a Rubik's Cube. And you notice how I never actually figured out how to solve a Rubik's Cube. You know, never figured out how to solve one. And you know, what are you gonna do, right? But since I didn't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I never moved it past. That's about as far as I went. And my cousin had one too. My grandmother was, you know, she was nice. She didn't just, you know, give gifts to one of her grandchildren. You know, she would make sure that, you know, both, you know, grandchildren would get something. And she ordered me and my cousin a Chex Rubik's Cube. I never moved mine. My cousin, however, she had 4 brothers. And she had 4 brothers, and I think the brothers got a hold of it and spun it around, and you know, and eventually, I don't think she still has it anymore. But you know, when you have, or 3 brothers, I'm sorry, when you have 3 brothers, you know, it's just tough to keep anything around, you know, because they're, you know, 3 boys are very destructive. So, but luckily I kept this, you know, I kept it safe. I always kept it in this box, and I put it away. My grandmother gave it to me, so it was just always very special to me. For some reason, I just kept it, and I never put it out of sort, because I knew I couldn't get it back, you know. I did have couple Rubik's Cubes growing up, and I could never solve them. I'm an engineer by trade, and I'm an electrical engineer, but I'm also very mechanically inclined. So I'm also a mechanical engineer, and I took apart my Rubik's Cube and put it back together at a very young age. That's how I solved it. I didn't move it around. I took the dang thing apart, put it back together. I don't know how many kids, and that was in the 80s, so I was probably in 5th, and anywhere from 3rd. When did Rubik's Cubes come out? But possibly in 3rd or 4th grade, and I was able to do that. So I've always been able to fix stuff. So. But I always kept this safe. I never solved it. It's always been special to me. It's the Chex Rubik's Cube. A lot of you might not be aware that this thing even existed. I think they do have these for sale. They don't go for that much money, maybe $7 or $8. But to me, this is a memory that I'll always keep, and always keep in this same box. And just really cool. Hey, did you ever get any toys and things from a cereal box that you had to send in the UPC symbols? Write it in the comments, and let me know what you thought, and let me know what you think of the Chex Rubik's Cube. Maybe you have one, or you remember why I'm getting this as a kid. So, hope you like this video. I just thought I'd share a few things with you. Have a good night.